You need to start a YouTube channel in 2023. I'm about to celebrate my 1 year anniversary, and I could say I have gotten opportunities because of my YouTube channel. It's not a huge channel. Let's get into the reasons you need to start a YouTube channel this year. Number one is that you don't need all the tech to start. In this day and age, you can start with simply your phone, and it's those $29 mics, and you just plug it into your phone, a tripod. Whenever you're ready, you click it and it starts recording. Order one of these are also like 20 bucks. Transfer your videos and all if you want to edit it on your computer. Again, you don't need a camera to start. And I really do believe this. Number two is the power to connect with people. One thing I realized is YouTube channel connects with your audience to the next level. I know that other platforms do this, like TikTok, you really get to know someone, same thing with Instagram, but there's something about YouTube, the long form content. You really get to see their home. You get to understand the way that they speak. 5 minutes may be short, but you really start understanding mannerisms, building a relationship with that person, and you get to build relationships virtually with so many people. 100% worth it. Brings me to my next point, which is reaching a bigger audience. The beauty about the YouTube algorithm is that it is pushing your content out there. They want you to win. If your video, it's solving a certain problem, whether that is entertainment or education, tutorials, things like that, like YouTube wants you to win. Number four, you solve people's problems at a bigger scale. This is where the keywords come in. This is where you're going to start to learn about the way that you Google things or the way that you search for things, how to create notes on Instagram, how to make your link in bio on Instagram. So these are searchable terms that you can start off with. Think about solving a problem instead of just, I want to do the fun things. My best performing videos I can name are two specific ones, and they are how-to videos. And those usually funnel to come to other videos. Okay, let's talk about number five, which I really do believe why I've gotten so many different opportunities, paid opportunities, which is building a portfolio. If you're in the online space, teaching, training, this is going to be your portfolio. You are literally building a personal brand on YouTube. This is how she works. This is how she speaks. This is how her personality is. She really connects with our brand mission. Your videos, as they continue to get better, you're going to improve, and that's going to be your portfolio. Imagine if you are trying to get a brand deal and you're on YouTube, you already talked about this product. Now you get to use that as your portfolio. Does that make sense? Let me know in the comments, which one are you leaning toward? Number six, confidence. I'm so sorry that I have to tell you this, but you are going to suck. Your videos are not going to be amazing the first 10. I would say even like your first 50, okay? I know I have to improve so much when it comes to my YouTube videos, but I promise you're going to get so much more confident when you're speaking in front of the camera and speaking in front of people, face to face, one-on-one. Your Zoom calls, your TikToks, they're all going to get so much better because your confidence on camera, it's like a muscle. Like you have to continue practicing. You're going to get stronger and stronger in front of the camera. Next, promoting your business. I'm talking to you if you already have a business, stick around. If you don't, because I have one on the very next that I'll talk to you about. If you're on YouTube, promote your business. Like, what do I need to book with you? A local business. You can tag, you can talk about it. You can say, tag someone that knows or send this video to someone. It doesn't make sense to not do that. That's the whole reason why you're on social media. I talk about my business because I know my business has a solution for you. Tell me how you're going to help me. There's so many different ways that you can do this. If you need clarity in your business and you don't quite know who you're talking to, or you're trying to build a personal brand, I have a personal branding roadmap for your business. Take a look in the description for the link. I don't like fluffy hour classes. I want you to get straight to work. Go get that, and let's move on to the next one. Next, why you need a YouTube channel is you get to express yourself however you want. One thing that I was very against at first was vlogs. I'm like, nobody cares about my vlogs. No one's going to want to watch my stuff. The truth is, people do want to know about your stuff. I made a video about why I changed my master bedroom to my office and vice versa. And my office is so much bigger now. You could see I didn't want to. My friend convinced me to do a vlog on that, and it kind of was amazing. The people that do subscribe were able to really follow my journey and take a look at my husband's personality. It's something that I want to implement more. It definitely takes a little longer, but I get to express myself. You get to meet my family, get to see why we say the jokes that we say. All right, stick around for the very last one, which is all about making money. Next is, if you dominate YouTube, you're going to dominate all the other platforms. What I realized this past year, when I decided to really take the system for YouTube and implement that for everything else, I was able to just dominate it. Not only do I have the opportunity to repurpose these videos, but figure out, how do I speak? How do I stop saying, how do I figure out what to talk about? I have to research, I have to record, I've been learning how to edit, I have to make the thumbnails, I have to figure out tech. Oh my God, I am the worst techie person ever. Your marketing skills are going to 10x by becoming a YouTuber, 100%. Next, make money even if you have a small channel. Don't expect to just make money off ads, because if you do that, you may be waiting for a few years. I'm just going to be super honest with you. Not everyone's going to get to the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours you need to get monetized. I follow this channel, Think Media. They talk all about YouTube. People that they interview and they bring on their podcast always talk about how ads is not the end all be all. That's not where they even think about making their money. Anything from ads is extra. You can do merch, membership, courses, one-on-one, do master classes, paid master classes. My friend Chelsea, she had a TikTok masterclass for $25. Like, how bomb is that? Digital downloads. Like, you can do so many different things as far as monetizing your channel, and you don't need that many people. If I didn't already convince you to start a YouTube channel, we need to talk about this and create your personal brand on YouTube. If not now, then when? Let me know in the comments if you are ready to go all in on YouTube in the next video. Let me see what we're talking about. 5 essential tools for your YouTube channel, even if you're not tech savvy, because I'm sure I'm not tech savvy at all. I'll see you in the next video.